Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the standout American classics from the late 70s, the 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Calais 4.3. This car perfectly blended comfort, style, and performance during a time when Oldsmobile was known for its premium feel and smooth ride. Let's dive into what makes this classic coupe such an iconic piece of automotive history. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1979 Cutlass Calais carried that unmistakable late 70s Oldsmobile design, long, wide, and confident. The body featured clean, squared-off lines with subtle chrome accents that gave it an upscale yet sporty character. The front end came with a split grille design and rectangular headlights, giving the car a bold, muscular stance. Down the sides, you'll find smooth contours, a slightly raised rear fender, and that elegant Calais badging that told everyone you were driving something special. The rear design was equally refined, with large taillights and chrome bumpers that added to its vintage charm. Whether in coupe or sedan form, the Cutlass Calais had the kind of presence that turned heads without trying too hard. Interior. Now, stepping inside the interior. The cabin of the 1979 Cutlass Calais was built for comfort and class. Oldsmobile really focused on giving drivers and passengers a sense of luxury, even in a mid-sized car. Plush velour or optional leather seats, deep carpeting, and wood grain trim made the interior feel upscale. The dashboard layout was simple yet elegant, with clear analog gauges and controls positioned for easy reach. The steering wheel had that classic Oldsmobile emblem in the center, and the ride quality was pure comfort, soft suspension, wide seats, and minimal road noise. Even today, sitting inside a well-preserved Cutlass Calais feels like stepping back into a time when American cars were built for smooth, relaxed cruising. Performance. Let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 1979 Cutlass Calais 4.3 came equipped with Oldsmobile's 4.3-liter V8 engine, also known as the 260 cubic inch rocket V8. It wasn't built for raw speed, but for smooth, dependable power delivery. Producing around 110 horsepower, it offered steady acceleration and excellent drivability for everyday use. The engine was paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission that shifted effortlessly, giving the car a comfortable and composed feel on the road. The suspension setup favored a soft, cushioned ride rather than sharp handling, which made it perfect for long highway drives. The Cutlass Calais wasn't a race car, it was a cruiser, designed to make you feel confident and relaxed behind the wheel. And now, the conclusion. The 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Calais 4.3 represents a special era in American automotive history, a time when cars were built to look elegant, ride smooth, and last for decades. Its mix of classic styling, comfortable interior, and reliable V8 power makes it a true favorite among collectors and enthusiasts today. Whether you remember it from the showroom floor or just love vintage American cars, the Cutlass Calais remains a timeless symbol of late 70s automotive class and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Oldsmobile model of all time.